Monster flash floods have been captured on camera, showcasing the incredible power of nature in various locations around the world. From the monsoon rains turning busy streets into raging rivers in India, to a group of hikers caught off guard by a torrent of muddy debris in Arizona, these incidents are a testament to the raw force of water unleashed. Let's begin our journey in the scenic state of Himachal Pradesh, nestled in the majestic western Himalayas, where nearly 7 million people call it home.